Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best way to learn a language, which is Babbel. So let's dive into the review. Babbel is a structured language learning platform designed for beginners and intermediate learners. Its lessons are short, interactive, and focused on practical conversation skills, helping you quickly build vocabulary and grammar knowledge. The pros also include the user-friendly mobile and the desktop app, speech recognition for pronunciation practice, offline access, and clear, progressive lesson plan that makes learning manageable and engaging. On the downside, Babbel supports only 14 languages, so options are limited and the advanced learner may find the content too basic. Subscription costs can also add up, and there is minimal content for deep immersion or fluency level practice. So my opinion, I actually think Babbel is excellent for beginners seeking practical everyday language skills, but advanced learner may need additional resources to reach fluency. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, don't know the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.